Did you know that with just your smartphone, you can sit at the comfort of your home and register for the National Health Insurance without going to their office to join long queues? No more long queues, no more paperwork, no more hassle. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button now and also like this video. Let's get started. Open your Google Play Store, or if you're using iOS, you open your App Store. Then let's search for my NHIS. So here is the app, so just click on install. Once you are done with the installation, click on open. If you're already having the NHIS card, you will click on existing user. But since you are new users, you're going to click on new user sign up. So click here. Then you're going to provide your surname over here, your first name over here. Then you provide your phone number over here. And this side too is for your email. So just fill this side. Once you are done, you will check this box. Once it is checked, just click on continue. Then one-time verification PIN will be sent to the number you provided. So just enter the number over here. When you get here, you're going to click on create profile. So we're actually going to use our Ghana card to create our profile. So you just click here. They'll be requiring for 4 important set of information. That's your surname, your first name, your date of birth, and your personal ID or your Ghana card number. So you just click on next. This is just a sample, so you just click on next again. So you are going to type our surname over here, our first name over here, our date of birth over here. Then you are going to type our Ghana card number also here. Once you are done, just click on next. When you get here, you are going to select your nearest NHIS district. So just search your district over here. Once you get your district, just click on it. Then click on next. So it is verifying our card, so you just wait for some few seconds. Once it is done, click on done. Now that we are done creating an account with our Ghana card, we need to enroll to become NHIS member. So we are going to click new registration over here. Then we are going to click next. When you get here, your details will come over here once you have registered with your Ghana card. So if you're having SNIT number, you're going to check yes. But if you're not having it, just leave it like that and click on next. Okay, then you are going to pay an amount of 27 Ghana cedis. So you just click on pay now. When you get here, you are going to choose your payment method, either mobile money, bank card, wallet, GHQR, cash or check. So just choose your payment method. So I'm going to choose mobile money. Once it is selected, you are going to provide the number over here. Then you are going to select your network provider also over here. So it supports MTN mobile money, Telecel cash, and AT money. So just select your network provider. Once you've selected your network provider, just click on pay. And one-time verification code will be sent to your number. Just enter the number over here. Then you approve the payment on your phone. Then your NHIS card have been created successfully. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button now. And also don't forget to like this video.